Alright, here's a first for me of the season so far. But that right there is a Brook lamprey. It's about the size of an average size night crawler. Oh, look at him moving that stick. That's freaking impressive. I mean, the stick's tiny, but that lamprey is only about maybe 5 inches long. Smaller than the diameter of a pencil. Look at that. That's pretty cool. About the size of maybe an average size night crawler. Maybe a little smaller. Clearly they're strong little shits though. I think he already forgot where he was at.